Okay, have you too fallen victim to the cool new vinyl craze? I have absolutely fallen victim. I actually went out, got a turntable, started getting a couple things out of storage, and I decided I wanted to get even more into it. So I'm gonna turn this into like my he shed, my like listening area kind of thing. But I know my wife would flip out if I just went to storage and put boxes of records all over the place. So I found an answer. It's from Starfavor, and this is a cool rack where you could actually put your turntable on it and store your records on it. So I reached out to them and they provided this to me. I do have to tell you they provided it, but gave me no other instructions other than we think we make a really great product. Take it, put it together, tell them what you think. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this together now. You're gonna watch me in time lapse, put it together so you know what's involved, and then I'll come back, I'll talk to you about its qualities, features, if it looks like it was supposed to look like in the picture, all those things which seem to go on. So let me put it together and then we'll come back and talk about it. Hey, so I wanted to tell you really quickly while I'm putting it together, this thing was so nice and so easy to put together, and I really like the wood just looks so real. In any case, I will tell you, I used to race cars professionally, so I know more about nuts and bolts and hardware than I should, and this is all really nice quality stuff. It was well organized, really labeled very nicely. There was one thing that was a little gray and I put it together backwards, but because the hardware is real good, I just took the screws out, flipped it over, put it back together again, and that was it. So in terms of ease of construction and putting it together and all that kind of stuff, definitely was a winner as far as I'm concerned. All right, let's go take a look at it. Okay, I've completed the project here. This thing is so nice looking. It is just very well thought out, very well put together. I want to show you some of the different functionality of it. I'm sitting here because it is fairly short. Obviously, you can see it's at my head height, so I thought it'd be easier to sit here and show you stuff. Let's start at this end and work our way across. This is just totally movable, which is perfect. I gotta go to storage to get all my records. I can pick this up, carry it. You can put the records here. You wanna go to your friend's house and listen to your favorite albums, you can just pick it up and bring it. It's got nice rubber stops on the bottom of it so it doesn't scratch the floor when you slide it like that. Okay, so here you have a couple different shelves, which I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna use them yet. I know I'm gonna put my turntable up here. I think I might put my tuner here or tuner there. I'm not really sure yet. And then one I'll probably put like a little lamp or some sort of decoration there. Down here on the bottom, obviously you have your storage, you have your records there. This spot here is super cool because this is so flexible. You could put your records in here, you could put CDs in here, you could even put your old 8-tracks in there. They'd sit in there too. So that's a great storage place. Not a huge amount of storage, but a great storage place. And then here on the bottom, again, it's kind of the same thing. You could either put your records in here, you could put your headphones in here, this could be like general storage, that kind of stuff, or records, whichever you want to do. Super flexible, again, the way the whole thing is used. In terms of putting it together, the first thing I want to tell you is it's a little interesting and entertaining that it comes with a really nice set of spares. Like every single screw and nut and bolt, there are 2 extras on, which is a nice thing so you don't lose them. But at the same time, there's one here, there's one piece here, where there's only one installed in this unit. There's just one unique screw and it comes with 2 spares. So there are actually more spares than what went into the unit itself. I just think that's kind of like cute and funny, but it was super easy to install. A couple of the steps weren't the most clear, but it's all screws. So there was one you probably saw, I put it in together backwards and I just took it apart, put it back in together. No big deal at all. Yeah, the quality is really nice. I think it looks great. I love the metal and the warm wood. I think that just kind of speaks to what it is. Actually matches the motif in here, although I'm going to switch all that stuff out. I did also want to include that there was a power supply included with a very long cable, which is really nice. In any case, I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.